Welcome to New Zealand, Luxury Lodge Kauri Cliffs. Check it out here. Bay of Islands and the lodge at Kauri Cliffs is set into 6,000 acres of farm, forest, and beach land. The Kauri trees here are 700 to 900 years old. This slow-growing tree was previously used to build houses and repair ships. Get to know this property by taking a guided quad bike tour. Follow Malcolm from Sea Toys or see what it's like to be a farmer with Farmer Jonathan. Although I'm from Texas, I was up close and personal with more sheep and cattle on this excursion than ever before. Ride through the pine forest and livestock-filled paddocks while enjoying expansively breathtaking views of the Cavalli Islands and Pacific Ocean. 3 private beaches and an on-property waterfall give you the opportunity for a quick swim. The Pink Beach is a great place for a picnic. Manuka honey is known for its healing qualities, so hop on over to the spa for a signature Manuka honey treatment. Well, it's 6:30 p.m. at Kauri Cliffs. I'm about to head in for the nightly wine tasting before dinner. What's for dinner? Canops, pan-fried hapuka, and red pepper lamb loin. Once a week, a local dance troupe comes to the property. While we sip on Villa Maria Sauvignon Blanc, the Kariki Kappa Hapa authentic performance offers a glimpse into the area's cultural heritage. Now, I know you're a honeymooner. You might not want to leave this lodge. However, some of the off-site options include the Mangianata, a park where nature walks teach the story of the forest with its massive trees and lush vegetation. This group tour is a great activity for wedding groups. The Marsden Estate Winery is also a picturesque place for lunch and a charming rehearsal dinner location. Of course, you can just spend hours at the pool and appreciate the true wonder that is New Zealand.